What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Castle Bowser from Super Mario Wonder. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the nose. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's draw a curve going up the middle and we'll bend that down towards the right. Now on the ends we want to curve this down and then in towards the center of the nose. So we'll start with the left side, just bending that in, go out and then up towards the right. Let's add two curves along the top for the nostrils. Starting on the left and then the right side. Let's add a fold across the top of the cheeks, starting from the left side of the nose, bend this up and then down. Let's go back to the center of the nose along the bottom, curve the muzzle, coming down, and we'll bend that up. Let's curve the inside of the mouth, starting on the left, bend this in and then down towards the chin. And then we'll layer the bottom edge of the mouth on top. We're going to step out, then it's up in the middle, and then back down. Now let's add the top row of teeth. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting on the left, going up, and then down. Let's draw one small tooth tucked in along the side, in between the tooth and the mouth. And then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to go back up the top and round out the cheeks. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve this around, and then bend that in towards the side. Let's add another curve along the bottom, coming in towards the chin. Let's add two bumps along the chin, starting on the left, coming down. We'll just pull that up in the middle, come down towards the right, go around, and then up. Let's go back up to the top and draw two lines across the brow. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. Draw one line going up. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to draw the bottom edge of the eyebrow. On the left side, bend this out, go up, and then back down. You just flip that over on the right side. Let's add those points along the outside, going up and then in. Step down, go up and in. Now I'm going to draw one more curve along the top. I'm just going to taper this down towards the bottom of the brow and then in towards that line. Let's go back to the outside corner of the nose, draw the top of the cheek, going up and then out with a short curve. And we'll tuck the edge of the eye in behind. We're going to step up towards the eyebrow, bend this out and then down. Let's go to the inside and draw a half circle for the pupil. Going around, just tucking that in towards the side of the nose. And then we're going to add a ring along the outside. Stepping out, trace the eye coming around, step out and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom corners of the eyebrow, bend the head going out and then down on top of the cheeks. Let's go back to the outside corner of the eyebrow, draw a straight line going out towards the side. Now you can draw the frame going around the cheek, come down, and then pull that in towards the side of the chin. Let's add some lines across that frame. Starting from the cheek, draw one line going across. Go halfway up this area along the top, draw another line. And we'll do that one more time across the bottom. Along the top of the eyebrows, let's tuck a circle in behind. So we'll start on the left, going all the way around, and then back in, and line that up on the right side. From the top corners of the frame, draw two straight lines going up. Now we want to connect the top of these two lines with a slight curve going up in behind the circle. Curve the center and then come down towards the right. Now we're going to line up these two lines in the center in between the brow. Now on the inside, let's draw two lines coming down. And I'll add 4 small dots on each corner. Let's add 2 small dots on the outside. And I'm going to add 1 more on the top, on the outside of the brow. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center on each side. And I'll add some lines going along the outside. Start with these 2 horizontal lines coming out from that center circle. Along the top, I'm just going to angle this up and out. And then along the bottom, come down and out. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the base of the horns. Let's start from these 2 corners. Angle this up and then out with a straight line. Let's round this out and then come down towards the bottom. And pull this in towards the side. Let's add a spike along the top and bottom, going up and down. And then inside that band, we're going to draw 2 circles, one on the top and then one on the bottom. Let's tuck the horns in behind that base. From this point, we're going to step down, bend the horn going out and then up. Let's round up the tip of the horn, come all the way around the outside and then in towards the bottom of that frame. Let's add those 2 pipes across the bottom, starting on the left, come down and out, step in, draw that same length line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw another line just overlapping those 2 lines. We're going to step up, go across, and then down. On the ends, draw a short angled line coming out, close off the end with a straight line. Now from the bottom of the chin, add another pipe, coming down and out, round at the bottom, coming in, angle that back up underneath the chin. And then from these 2 corners, draw 1 large pipe coming down the center, round this out, step up and draw another curve. Let's move back up and continue along the top. We're going to start right in the middle in the center, start with a point. From here, angle this down and out toward the left and right, and then pull that straight down. Let's go back up to the top corners, angle this up and out, come down and out along the side, and then pull that straight down. Now I want to trace these 3 shapes along the inside, so we'll start on the left and work our way across. Let's add those 2 towers along the side. We're going to leave a gap, draw 1 line coming down on top of that circle, draw a straight line going across, and then pull that straight down. Let's draw the top of the towers. Draw a short line going out from the top, go up along the side, and then from here, come in with a short line, come down, across, and then back up. I'm just going to flatten off the top. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's add those 2 horns on the side. On the side of the tower, go out, up, and then out. Let's work our way back in along the outside. Just tapering this so it gets wider as we come back in. Let's add some spikes along the outside, coming out and in. And then in the middle, draw 1 circle. Let's draw that tiny Bowser head along the top. We'll start right in the middle, just like we did along the bottom. Start with the top edge of the nose, curving up and then down. Come down and then in towards the middle. From the top corners, it's going to round us out, come down and then up underneath the nose. Along the side, draw 2 straight lines coming down. And then along the top, we're going to add teeth, coming down and up. Let's add in the brow. Start with 2 lines coming up along the center. From the left side, go up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. From the outside, we're going to go up towards the top of the brow, come down and in. Now we move out to the side and draw the outside of the eye, curving around and then in on top of the muzzle. In between the eyebrow, curve down and then up. Let's go to the outside, curve the head coming out and then down towards the cheeks. Let's round out the cheek and pull that in. And then we'll draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's draw that center piece along the top of the head. Starting on the left side, go out, in, and then up. Bend this out towards the right, and then back in towards the head. Let's add those stripes across the top. Going across and up, step down, and just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom. Now you want to add 2 horns along the side, going out and then up. I'm just going to taper this around and then back in. Now we're going to add 2 more towers along the side of the head. Let's start from the cheeks, draw 2 lines going out, and then pull that straight down. Let's go underneath the cheek and draw 2 more lines coming down. And we'll add a small window along the inside with a long oval. From the top corner of the tower, bend this out and then up. Draw a straight line coming back in. Now I'm going to add some pointed flames across the top. Let's start from the outside, bend this up and in, come in and down. Let's add another one going in behind the horn, and then up along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, just working our way in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Castle Bowser from Super Mario Wonder. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.